In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty a folder in Gmail. Whether you're looking to declutter your inbox, free up some space, or simply start fresh, this is an efficient way to manage your emails. We're going to go through the steps to streamline this process, ensuring that everything is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account and locate the folder or label that you want to empty. In Gmail, folders are referred to as labels, so you should look for the specific label that contains the emails you're aiming to delete. This might be something like promotions, social, or even a custom label you've created. To do this, look to the left-hand side of your Gmail interface where all of your labels are listed. Once you find the correct label, click on it to open up the list of emails contained within. Now that you have your desired label displayed, let's move on to selecting all the emails. At the top of your email list, just beneath the search bar, there's a small checkbox. Click this checkbox to select all the emails that are currently displayed. This action will highlight all emails visible on the page. If you have more than a handful of emails, Gmail will also prompt you with an option to select all conversations that exist under this label. Prominently displayed, this option allows you to take action for not just the visible emails, but for the entire folder. Once you have selected all the emails, the next step is deleting them. Look for the trash can icon at the top of the email list. This is the delete icon. By clicking this icon, you are directing Gmail to move all your selected emails to the trash folder. Don't worry, the deletion isn't permanent just yet. Gmail gives you an option to recover these emails from the trash folder for up to 30 days, so you have a grace period in case you accidentally delete something of importance. At this point, your folder should be empty, making it much tidier. Remember, regularly cleaning out emails that are no longer needed can greatly enhance your Gmail experience, making it more efficient and easier to navigate. It's a good practice to periodically review and remove emails that are unnecessary in order to keep your inbox organized. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to empty a folder in Gmail. Feel free to apply this method across different labels based on your needs. Keeping your emails organized is an ongoing process, but it's definitely manageable with a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, remember to like and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your digital life.